No, get the hell away from me.
Backward bitter rocks.
Morning.
Hey.
Hey.
Morning.
Is that where you were looking at?
There's all decanters. Well, good job, Jeff. That's pretty cool. Tri-State Porta Potties, now with a mirror for selfies.
Get out of your way there.
Looking from a distance here. I have failed to find anything that sets my heart aflame.
Nothing too exciting.
The Assassin's Briefcase. I'm curious as to why you'd need to lock it. Jeebies. Did you see that turkey over there too?
Is that ceramic?
I don't know. No, it's plastic. It's kind of cool though. Those are flat.
Yeah.
And creepy. Marcy says she's not buying today.
Not.
Oh, it's got a booby. Did you see the booby?
I didn't.
Little alligator clamps, you betcha, Danny, little alligator clamps. All to go, 2.5 and go, and you're buying all the clamps and all. 5, it'll be no buy, and the nails, 2.5, buy, 2, 5. Sold them 2.5 straight away again. 3-0 buys. Hey, the old brass blowtorch. Hit 5 and go on that. 5, it'll be no buy, 2.5. Start me out. 250, but get 2.5. Best shiner up, nice and bright brass. 2.5, 5. Yep, 5, it'll be no buy, 2, 5. Sold them 2.5 straight away here on number 13. Goes keeper rate.
You ready to go? Is it time?
It's time.
Here's your receipt.
Thanks.
$89.
Nice.
Oh, I can't believe how much we spent.
Well, 50 of those blow molds.
How did we get those?
What do you mean, how did we get those?
I don't remember buying them, and you weren't buying anything, so what happened?
The little dirty old men said, take me home.
Well, it looks like your stuff's on top. Get to work. What's that, a turkey?
That's a turkey. Some kind of blow mold. I don't know. I just thought it was really cute.
I wanted to get that too.
Did ya? What did we pay for this? $6?
Yeah, you got a bunch of crap with it. I think you got all that Easter with it too, didn't you?
Yeah. I don't know. It's just Easter eggs and...
Is that a bunny?
Yeah, but this is just plastic. And
Yeah, but it's awesome.
Oh, yeah, it's fantastic. I'm happy with my turkey.
Thanks, honey. This is my crap, some of it.
Except for these.
I got... Look at this, look at this. If you've ever seen me drinking on live videos, which I never do. Well, I don't have pheasants.
Yeah, they are.
The ones I have?
Yeah.
No, I have geese. I have geese and white-tailed deer.
Oh, I thought they were pheasants.
Pheasants, and what's this one?
Ducks.
Mallards. Are they all different? This is what I have right here, Canadian geese.
Oh.
And that's Canadian geese.
Yeah.
Highball glasses, mid-century. Those will sell quick. These are kind of cool
I
too.
like those. I think those are pretty.
Those are mid-century too.
They're all different colors.
Yeah, I don't see.
But they got the gold.
I don't see any name on them, but that doesn't really matter. Another pheasant glass. Don't know. So I paid $1 for the flat with those glasses. Ooh, got a little A&W mug.
Yeah, I left that in there.
Sweet.
I figured you'd like that. This one I'm just gonna keep.
The melts were Marcy's. I came with her crap. But this came... What did I pay for the flat this was in?
$1.
Yeah. This is a West Bend. Everyone kept saying ice bucket, but it's insulated and it says it's for hot or cold. I just think it's cool.
It is, but I wonder why it has the penguins on it if it's hot and cold.
Are you going to show them the gnomes? No, we're back to my
These
fish.
are not gnomes.
They are now.
No, they're not.
I got a stack of, 8 fish plates? Like luncheon plates. I just thought these were fun. I don't see a name anywhere. Anchor Hawking, or what's that other one? Hazel Atlas or something, but I think those are neat. And I think
something.
it's something, and it'll sell. Smarty pants. What's that Pyrex stuff? We didn't get that today, did we?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see
Yeah,
that.
that came in the, I forget what it was, the dollar thing. This is Anchor Hawking. And this is corny, is it Pyrex?
Beauty.
Yeah. Oh, and then these.
Pretty eyes.
I got 2 of those. These are elves,
Thank you for...
not gnomes.
I say we paint them and use them as gnomes year-round.
I think that would be splendid.
And we got a North Pole sign as well.
Yep.
Is that heavy?
No, I was afraid to pull it out.
I didn't realize that was a blow mold too. I thought it was like just plastic. Like
Nope, they're all 3 blow molds.
nice.
So those were $17.50 a piece.
Yeah, we paid up for those a bit because, well, are you keeping them? You don't even know.
I haven't decided yet. This came in with that crap too. This is old home interior.
What's it for?
It's just to hang on the wall. It's an old, they're supposed to look like an old bike. But that's from the 90s.
Hot.
And then, oh, you got some.
I got 3 sets of mud flaps.
Those are cool. These look like from the 80s.
Yeah. It's strange. These 1 set, 2 set, and then I got those Farm and Fleet truck ones. They had brand new vintage Yosemite sand ones, which if you look them up, they bring some big bills on eBay. I don't know what these will bring, but I got them cheap, so gotcha.
Bench was $1 because I had to throw away my 2 benches.
You see the bench?
So I'm gonna paint it and leave it outside.
This isn't the bench.
No.
This is my new porta potty. What? Oh, I didn't realize there's holes drilled up here. So this was turned into wall decor apparently.
Because why not?
A Chieftain American Hospital Supply Corporation stainless steel gravy boat. I bet you it's had gravy in it too.
Oh, yuck.
I paid $4 for these 3 pans. Cast iron. One of them has a name. Favorite Picaware. The other ones are unnamed. I think I'm going to use one, clean it up, and use it, and the other 2 I think I'll sell. Bacon press, what did I pay for that?
I don't know. I think $3.
Yeah.
It's a Camaro.
Oh my gosh. I didn't realize that. That came out of the case. It was those GM parts and that shotgun shell.
Yeah.
I didn't realize the GM parts were emblems.
Well, I don't know. I don't know what this is. Oh, yeah.
What's that one?
I don't know.
Come on. I'm so excited.
Chevrolet.
Oh, that is cool. The thing that got me to buy the lot was the belt buckle right there.
Oh, this?
Yeah. Shock seed belt buckle. I think I paid $3. I didn't realize what those GM parts were. I'm excited. This I got with the bacon press. That's a little, I think, incense burner.
We have no idea what that is.
What did I pay for the records, you remember?
Was it $1?
It was cheap.
$2. $2.50.
Yeah, it was up to $2.50. But, I mean, that's kind of a neat record, but I don't think it's worth much. But the records I actually bought it for was this one. No. Alright. This is the kind of crap you usually get at records at auctions. Brenda Lee coming on strong. This one I thought was interesting. Cabbage Patch Kids record. Raggedy Ann and Andy record. Andy Williams. Oh. Lawrence Welk looking extra creepy. Barry Manilow. I thought there was more 80s ones. Care Bears Christmas. Counting Alpha. Smurfs album. As advertised on TV. Lady and the Tramp. It came from Disneyland. Annie. I didn't even realize I had Tiffany. Think we're alone now. Mickey Mouse Disco. Mouser Size. The Best of Disney. Strawberry Shortcake. I think some of these 80s ones could be interesting. Or I could look them up and be really disappointed. Mother Goose. Erwin the Disco Duck. And Anne Murray again. And I think that's all our stuff. We spent almost $90. But that's because we went... Oops, sorry about that. That's because we went high on the blow molds because we wanted them for ourselves. But good day, fun times, great meal. We went to Potosi to, what was it called? Swisher's Sticks? The Viney Vine? Twisted Vine. What was the name of the restaurant?
I don't remember now.
Good advertising. But
It was fantastic, though.
yeah, the food was amazing. We got some deep fried pickles. I had a Potosi beer. Well, I'm sick of watching Marcy carry this so I better get to work. Thanks for stopping by. See you guys. Amazing. That I was missing that last auction. I knew I had another wood puzzle and I couldn't find it.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, if the price is right, you buy it when you can buy it. Yeah.
Don't know what they're for. I know what they're for.
Shrinking.
I just didn't. I was just wanted these for the most part on these.
Don't know what the glass is for.
All right. I'll stop this nonsense.
I know. It won't stay up anymore.
That's what I keep saying. You're so cute.
Mm-hmm.
What?
I hope you got that on video.
The rooster?
Yeah.
I doubt if it picked it up.
I don't know.
I realized it was part of the bench.
It was part of the bench.
Part of the bench?
It's part of the bench.
Amazing.